Hello friends, now I'm going to talking about a very good investment site which is paying from 30 days. The site name is Riverflow Limited. This site is paying instant and the site have 8 investment plan you can see, including 130% after 1 day profit plan. So this site paying very high profit and paying instant. They have 5% referral commission, and you can see their total account, total deposit, total withdraw, running days, everything you can see. And you can see their last deposit, last withdrawal, everything with username. You can see amount, everything. They are taking 6 payment system, Perfect Money, Payer, and 4 crypto including Bitcoin. They have certificate as well. So I can show you my dashboard. So let's see. Before I need to log in as well. So I'm logging my account. This is my wallet, you can see. And now suppose if I want to withdraw my account balance, suppose now I want to withdraw like $500, so I need to click on withdraw fund. Then you can see I have this balance in my account, so I will withdraw $500 in Perfect Money. Then click on confirm. You can see my withdrawal is processed just within a second. I got my withdrawal, and now you can see my total earning, that is 28299. That is my total earning, and no pending withdrawal I have because they are paying instant, and I withdraw total 27361. This is my total withdrawal. My active deposit for now $2000, you can see, and last deposit was $1000. Here you can see already. And suppose now if I want to invest from account balance this amount, so I can. So for this I have to click on make deposit. Then I want to invest this $139 by Perfect Money, and this I have to do from account balance, so I have to choose the account balance option. Then click on process. Yes, my deposit done from account balance, and I will invest the other 103 Ethereum. This is also from account balance. So yes, both deposit done as well from account balance. And now you can see this is my dashboard. You can see total withdraw, total deposit, active deposit, what I have, everything you can see. And they are using higher security account because for this no hacking, so they are fixing every payment processor system. Now you can see, my last deposit and last withdrawal, and you can see that I have deposited $500 sorry, I have withdrawn $500 and